my school is in my empire. What I have to do?
We should conduct a competition.
A competition? What type of competition?
My lord, this is winter season. The pond should be cool. Those who will stay whole night in the pond up to his neck, we will reward him for his bravery.
Oh great. Please announce the reward to call my empire.
Yes, my lord.
Who are you?
I am a competitor.
You are a competitor.
Yes, my lord.
You can do this task.
Yes, my lord. I have faced so many problems in my life. When comparing to that, this is nothing. My lord, everyone is eligible for this competition.
Okay. The workmen go to the pond and stay for one night and came in the morning for his reward. You are a cheater. What happened?
My lord, there was a street lamp.
By this, old men feel warm on pond. You are a old man, so that I am leaving you. Go. Where is Birbal? Call the Birbal on my order. Yes, sir. Birbal, sir, our Lord is calling you.
I am cooking. Convey to my lord.
Yes, sir. Birbal, sir, is cooking.
Yes, my lord.
Call the Birbal. Birbal, sir, our Lord is again calling you.
I am still cooking. Convey to my lord.
Yes, sir. Yes, my Lord, Birbal, sir, is still cooking. Oh, okay.
Yes, my lord.
Call the Birbal. Birbal, sir, our Lord is again calling you.
I am still cooking. Convey to my lord.
Yes, sir. Yes, my Lord, Birbal, sir, is still cooking. What the hell? I want to see the Birbal. What is this, Birbal?
What happened, my lord?
By this your food won't cook. The fire is not touching the pot. How your food will cook?
Similarly, this is what I want to say, that the street lamp is too distant from the pond. Then how the old man can walk?
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Call the wall. Birbal, you open my eyes.
Thank you, my lord.
Moral. Keep our promise once we give it. Thank you.